The following are guide to making pineapple cooked in chili. The ingredients are a quarter thinly sliced pineapple, 5 tablespoons of chili paste, 2 cloves of garlic, 4 cloves of shallots, a bit of shrimp paste that had been roasted, 3 spoonfuls of sugar, a bit of salt, and oil. First, pound the shrimp paste, adding a bit of water till the shrimp paste dilutes. Next, heat the oil. Saute the diced garlic till fragrant and do the same for the finely sliced shallot. After the shallot has wilted, put in the shrimp paste followed by the chili paste. Stir till oil separates. Then add sugar and pineapple. Stir till it is even. When the pineapple has wilted, mix in salt and stir till it is well cooked. This sambal is best served with rice.